Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini kami mau gerak ke Simeulue. Titik berangkat di ke Aceh Utara lewat pos Mami sedikit. Mau tembak terus ke Banda. Kalau sempat pelabuhan haji terus, boom.
Kami menunggu di sana.
Semoga
ada cerita baru. Ceritanya kalau angkutan barangnya tuh dinaik jam 2 keretanya. Jadi kami harus siap sampai di pelabuhan tuh harus pagi. Kan nggak mungkin kita hari Minggu pagi kita berangkat, di situ juga kita beli tiket. Jadi kalau bisa kami sampai pelabuhan haji itu malam atau begitulah. Kita tengok aja nanti sampai kayak mana. Oke, kalau sempat kami mau berhenti sebentar ke masjid. Tapi kalau nggak sempat kami lanjut perjalanan.
masjid mana?
Masjid aja, tapi doakan kami sampai tujuan dengan selamat dan pulang dengan selamat. Oke. Ini kami berangkatnya habis ini jam 6 ya.
Kami gerak ke subuh nih ya. Intinya semangat. Oke. Ya kan? Udah lu ya. Bye. Halo guys, kita sarapan breakfast in the morning nih.
Sarapan dulu guys, berhenti nanti Pak supirnya kena lambung soalnya. Jadi kita sarapan dulu ya guys. Yuk makan guys, sarapan.
Semangat. Oke.
Kita berhenti sebentar guys. Pak supirnya ini apa namanya? Pak supirnya kencing. Guys, kita berhenti sebentar karena Pak supirnya sesak pipis. Kayaknya nggak tahu nih, pokoknya udah di lewat bidan kan ya guys. Ikutin terus perjalanan kan guys. Guys, your love, baby. I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on you. Kita udah sampai jenis guys. Salam berhubungan.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. If I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go. Don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from from the past, won't escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that I so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
I'll give up everything, daunting if I can see my dream. Make things right, 'cause I'll do anything. Want a reality.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go.
The pain makes it real, I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and meal. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost to feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. 'Cause this drive to kill, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal?
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. 'Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time.
get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Halo guys, lagi di Masjid Baitur Rahman nih, Banda Aceh. Baru sampai nih. Sebelum melanjutkan perjalanan ke Simeulue, Sinabang, singgah dulu kita kan. Indah kali guys, macam di film-film Turki. Payung belum terkembang lagi nih. Subhanallah. Ikutin terus ya guys, musa-musanya ya. Assalamualaikum.
Alhamdulillah guys, kita udah sampai di Masjid Raya nih Banda Aceh. Cuma kita nggak salah lama karena kita masih jauh perjalanan yang mau dituju, jadi kita cuma langsung aja. Jadi ketinggalan listriknya, langsung kita cus ke Bob. Ikutin dulu ya, ikutin terus ya perjalanan kami. Dah.
Rupanya guys, panas ya guys. Dia ada insiden sedikit guys. Orang nggak mau foto.
Bye.
Tuh.
Terima kasih yang
Jangan lupa subscribe, like, and share.